Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the date format. You can see this is my IntelliJ and I have this Spark configuration, and in between that there is a data you can see, and it is a transaction ID and date and sales. Let me run it, and you can see this is the output. Transaction ID A, date is YY, and dd. Okay, so we need to do one thing. We need to first dd yyyy. We need on that format. Okay, so let me do that. How to do that? Okay, let me try that format change. Okay, so after that format, this will be the output, and then we'll create a df1, and then we'll assign this df, and then we'll use the with column. Okay, and in with column we'll be using the column date. So the column we are going to change is date. Okay, so after that, after with column, there is a date format function is there, date format. Okay, and then what we are going to use, we are going to use column date. Okay, date format, date format, and we are going to use column and column name. We are going to put that on bracket, and after that, after this column, we are going to put the expression we need. Okay, so expression we need is, we need to put that expression on dd and yyyy. Okay, and then let me, this is the bracket is closed here, and this is the another bracket. So df1 dot show. Okay, so let me run this one. You can see it is before it was yyyy, and now it is yyyy. Okay, so year was first and now it's on the last. If we need to change again, we need to do some modification, only YY. Okay, then you can see like that. You can see after change only 24 is there. Okay, if we need let me do only month and year. Okay, so let me run that one also. You can see 0924 0924. Okay, so this is how you can change the date format using this structure. You have to use the with column and then date, and then date format. The window function is date format, and then you have to specify the column name, and you have to mention and the pattern you need. Okay, so this pattern I need, and if you need only YY only other format, then you can do that. Okay,